In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect bill payments using Jotform. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing payments for an organization, knowing how to effectively set up payment forms can make a significant difference. Let's walk through the steps to make this process smooth and efficient. First, open your preferred browser and search for Jotform. This is your starting point for accessing the platform where you'll create your payment forms. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you'll need to sign up. Setting up an account is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Once logged in, you'll notice that Jotform offers a host of form templates, including a variety tailored specifically for payments. You have the choice to either pick one of these ready-made templates or start from scratch using their intuitive drag-and-drop builder, which is quite user-friendly. Now, when it comes to choosing a payment processor, you have several options like PayPal or Stripe. Navigate to the Payments tab located in Form Elements and select your preferred processor. You'll need to connect your account, so make sure you have your login details for the payment processor handy. This step is crucial as it ensures you can securely collect payments. After setting up the basics, it's time to brand your form. Adding your logo and matching the form to your brand colors helps give a professional feel. Customize the form fields as necessary to ensure everything aligns with your specific branding requirements. This not only looks great, but also builds trust with your clients, assuring them they're in the right place. Next, focus on gathering the essential information. Add fields for customer information and billing details. Depending on your specific needs, you might require additional information, so think about the peculiarities of your billing process and adjust the form fields accordingly. This customization really makes a difference in collecting all necessary data at once. One of Jotform's great features is that it handles the secure processing of payments through its integrated payment gateways. This means you don't have to worry about the technical details of payment security, as Jotform has that covered for you, ensuring both you and your clients can transact with confidence. Jotform's forms are also designed to be responsive, which is an essential feature since so many people access forms on different devices. This means that once your form is live, it will automatically adjust to work seamlessly on mobile phones, tablets, and desktop computers, providing a smooth experience for all your users. And there you have it. You now know how to collect bill payments using Jotform, create professional and user-friendly forms, and ensure secure payment processing. With these steps, you're all set to streamline your billing process and enhance your business operations. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!